No. So we are going to continue with that conversation. My recording device is not functioning properly, so I have to restart. If you are that lady, what are you going to do? You love the guy. You've given him everything. We fought for him. You've made provisions for him. You are saving your money with his account. And the first time he cutted away with your money due to love, affection you have for him. You continue. He squandered your money again. And this last time he's planning to get married to another lady with your money. And you are far away, Libya, fighting, suffering, struggling to make things happen. So I do not know where we'll go from here. I don't think my opinion is going to be enough today. That is why we have a phone line. Let's go to the phone. Let's go to Germany and see. I'm going to be here just 30 minutes, and tomorrow I'm going to have enough information to feed. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, my brother. Keki me.
All the man want them.
Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you very much, Onyoma Germany. Thank you. I appreciate you, brother.
Now, one day, I'm by himself at times. I'm no maturity. No age.
Yes.
I call like this. I call Nasima. When they tell you, send the alligator, and I consider and the girl you can legit now, and a day and I'll go
no.
Can you put legit, bro? That guy, if I tell him to program the guy again, but Choban on the guy, I won't go because I'll go my the guy or go on your declare go why can any man what I can actually go and buggle. That's how full no point again, no. Two, you come on the girl, you can why Jay announce what to the other girl. So we contacted the girl. When you know, I did a mobile window tomorrow, because I'm a mobile, my young medical here.
It's very
good. The girl.
Yeah.
You will go
one the Libya city. Only open an Libya, what they go with the age daily of ma.
I want to look at the wedding, the girl again, when it's no bona, or made the guy something. Because when we got the good, if we go the be 1, 2, each go they give physical cars because the girl listen to the go now. Only Jiregi, man, no cataptasing Jigia, go Bobo. The girl in one tom of your bonog made the guy. I don't know to Balia for came anything or to be a matua malosi because all can again are gonna can in your brain in your game and don't joke on the meeting dojo. I get the one day no I caught the guy now, because of the you have to walk it to walk it. When you write each day. Beginning sweat muddy begging. You got to go over na use Lego. If so, enough for something in a made the real, and I can't get you store ego na bank. You got to go. I don't know who the right is safe for it. Anything now where the person, man, you a business person, be sure of something in there. You might not get a Lego money. What of where you go again?
Brother, what we are going to do is tomorrow morning I'm going to talk to the lady. Only improve na the boy Jiegi. I will talk to the boy. Personally, I stop whatever marriage I can do that until they refund the girl. If I have evidence, brother, if I have evidence and I fail to do what I say I will do, then I will stop broadcasting. I will stop. Honestly.
No, yeah, man, about this no so my go myself because the guy again we're going so when they get see I can't go.
Yeah.
Because the guy can relate to other people. You cannot go and be the Lego mad name.
You can't do that.
The guy in just mobile and watch
it's impossible. I want you go on now. It's impossible. You don't do that.
Ojo watch out. Oh yeah, one name mobile ogwa. You man ogwa dey deceive her. Ojo watch ogwa no dey ka okagaka. Dibia na ego nke agwa no nwere dị na eme mana ọ mara sukwa na ọzọ bụ dibia ke dibia gwakwa ọzọ bukwala ya so o ka ma ọ bụ iji ego dị girl ịgba ogo dị girl obi mana dị girl na street onye ọbụla ma ya na-alụ na Tripoli onye ọbụla ma everything so ịma ama to the girl and ọ na-eme ya na Nigeria ọ na-eme ya outside the country which nwere ya ma ihe ọ na-eme onye ga-ego because na all of gị were obi etie n'ebe ị nọ ịgbawa ya obi ka nọkwalụ na ị ga-anọ
Thank you very much, caller from Germany. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So things are very, very bad to the ear. And this whole story is one of the things that are bad to the ear. I don't know why some people are very, very ridiculous, terrible. A lot of people don't have tears in them. They don't have conscience. They don't have emotions. They don't have regards. They don't understand the integrity and equity. They don't. To them, it's all about money. And they are ready to do whatever to get money, which is very, very bad. Very, very bad. Let's go to the phone line and see who is there. I don't know why I can't pick a call. Calls are too many at a point. Hello, good evening, brother. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Please move away from your listening device. Good evening. Please move away from your listening device.
That's so good evening, my brother. I can
Thank you.
Okay, Nkemwa, I am just putting the lady in a position of my sister.
Yes.
Assuming Nonya bro my younger sister, onodo obodo oyibo hana ataho hana de ateba one nebi without having a stable professional job.
Yes.
Nobodo oyibo, you are going through a lot. Without a professional job,
yes,
you are going through a lot. So, boy, Maduge Mecha, one Bobia Mecha, San Diego. I don't want to talk about Anano, because it's obvious that there is no true love or relationship that should lead to marriage. Good thing this thing has come up now. Okay, so I won't even go there. So, what I would suggest is, if this lady has someone on ground, just get a lawyer. Once you get a lawyer, with the evidence of the transactions, unless it's not a genuine transfer, if there are evidence, the lawyer should just go to EFCC. First of all the guy's accounts will be frozen. The guy's accounts, if frozen with that guy's account, more than careful this Christmas or man you anya. So please just get a lawyer. Get a lawyer. Go to I would suggest EFCC, because in here about financial crime.
yes,
Well, the lawyer will be in a position to know where to go to. JJ make a statement, provide all those evidence. First of all, they are blocking the guy's account. He can't have any transaction in Nigeria again. Then it will just resolve the matter. I feel for the ladies. So they were careful. I do not see we should learn. You cannot. How can you be giving somebody money? These are anyway. I don't know the condition of the person, but for the situation, please get a lawyer for her, or let her get a lawyer. She has relations. Get a lawyer. Go to that appropriate authority, make a statement, block all her monies in the guy's account anywhere so far, and they take it up from there.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. And Mommy called earlier when we did the broadcast earlier. She complained about how she was financing a certain guy in Lagos. At some point, she wanted to send the guy abroad. She gave her money for this, for that. And in the end, the guy left her for another girl. Relationship must not lead to marriage. If you come here to tell me that you dated a guy for 10 years and he refused to marry you, I'm not going to listen to you. I am only interested because of money. Yeah, if you don't want to marry the girl, it's fine. You can go. There's no law that stated that any couple or union or relationship must lead to marriage. There's no law that stated that. But there are thousands of laws, millions of laws that say that when you have agreement, monetary agreement with people, you need to keep it. When people give you money to keep or to save or to invest for them, you should be held accountable. Should anything go contrary to the written or even verbal agreement, you should be held. There is no way you tell me to look at this issue and find proof and other evidence that this girl was actually giving money to the guy. They are in a relationship, yes. And now the guy wants to get married to someone different and not return the money. And you should also know that this girl complained that this guy had eaten his money. First time, second time, and this third time, not just eating the money this third time, he is getting married to someone different. And before we do anything, we also going to talk to the man. Yeah. When the issue said, we are going to call him and say, man, what's going on? What happened? You have right to fair hearing and all that. What actually transpired? What happened? We need to know. We can't just condemn a brother. We can't do that. We need to also listen to the brother, know his opinion, hear his own side of the story. His own side of the story might change the whole threat we are putting in the air. Who knows? We are going to listen to him before we'll talk about obstructing the wedding or freezing the account or involving the necessary authorities, the EFCC, the ICPC, the mobile police, or whoever that is going to intervene. Libya is very difficult. Libya. And when they buy an mechanic na Libya and all that. Only open no Libya de me fike. That is one thing I know. I'm a foreign relations expert. I am international relations guru. I can sit here and tell you what is happening in 80% of the territories of the world. And when they buy no na Libya na alu I go to show mechanic. And when they na alu there, Libya is beginning to stabilize, even though there is still traces of terrorism and all that due to what happened when Obama and Secretary of the State then, Hillary Clinton, when they decimated Libya and all that. These things are still there, but people are still working. People are using their strength to earn a lot of money in Libya. I must say, and the trafficking, but not all of them. So let's not be saying that the lady is doing something bad. Who knows? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. She might be genuinely earning her money. Another time in this platform, somebody called a lady in Israel prostitute. That lady is working and earning an honest money in Israel. In fact, her son is playing football in Israel. Her son could end up playing for Israeli national team there. So you don't know. Let's not be judgmental too quick. We are going to judge, but we're going to take time. We're going to be critical in thinking, analytical as well in thinking before we judge. There are too many calls. I don't know where we'll go from here. Let's go to the UK. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Onye isi otekwana mfudebere iru gị, sir. Go ahead, Daddy. Gaa n'iru, sir.
Anụrụ m ife a na-ediscuss.
Yes.
Eziokwu that na that a lazy man ji ego nyawo nwada were gbanaga ọsọ. Eziokwu, and again I am not exactly what really prompts within two of them. But one thing I have to say is this. Then I say AJ lawyer. Remember that most of things we are doing in Europe here are not and a hustling grand are not but ndị be anyị ma mmiri amazubeghị ndị be anyị arụ fama mgbe ọsọ. Ụfọdụ na-asị eje na arụsị eje na this and that. Onye be anyị napụrụ 15, onye be anyị mụ na ya mekọrọ biznes, onye nkwere mụ na ya tụrụ na defense street nweta 15,000 ka o weta 15,000 ka anyị mekọọ biznes. Immediately my money banyere ya aka, this guy kpachie my money, he never picked my call. We are living in London here together.
16,000 pounds.
15,000 pounds. Owed you my 15,000 pounds for more than 2 years.
Wow.
Ndebe ọkwọ Jack Daniel ọkwọ my balance ya na asụ m okpokpo bekee because uche ụnọ ka aga kpọta police ka anyị gawa lawyer. But na mgbe m bịaziri gwazie na oke anara eri ife onye mụ anya. Mgbe gwa that na etu o si were chọọ that na because my wife was involved this morning. Nwunye dị involved na this morning. Say that now either you die or I die. That money gave with the also one day also call what I will read the money they are getting at my table. Also called you because in the buy me maybe in the buy if I can understand in your program. Some people are out. Oh, when you buy only to quite 13,000 euro, I mean to say, onye ka na ezogharị ezo ụbọchị m ga-enweta agba ya aga m agbagharị gị egwu so ihe mmụọ na-ekwu that na onye ọna na-eri ego mmadụ dịkwa very careful because eme ya mgbe ọda agaghị ego m ya but if I swear to mmadụ
It's not proper.
swear to mother. Everybody has to be very careful. In a lawyer, a baker and a lawyer. But the lawyer and I got some with a proof. And when Oya just go question, I will pick it to get separate. If was your day could ask the member.
Yes.
So, Iwari Soji over speedy. Also, happy and I'll take the money.
You're right.
I'm not supporting of your job, but one day, Papa said that na ita malo n'isi asọrọ ntutu ndị ataghị staa gị n'ike asọrọ nsị. You know?
You're right.
So men make men to be evil.
Thank you very much.
We need to listen to the woman as well, listen to the young man as well to know exactly how their transaction started.
Yes.
But all that the guy may know or guy had the lady. Myself, guys, I can go see a bag aquaria again and day. Wow.
Thank you very much, sir, from UK. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much. Where do we go to? Our calls are too many. I don't know where we'll go to. A lot of people will complain at the comment section that you don't take their call. You like Germany, UK, and US, but you didn't call. All the calls here are Germany, UK, US. These are the numbers here. All of them. Basically, all of them. It's because those in Asia are sleeping. Maybe that is why. I don't know. A lot of us, they love to criticize, but they can never call you in private and tell you how we can improve and all that. They can't do that. All they do is criticism, you know. They find a way to make you feel bad when you should be happy. Caller from China, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, brother from China.
Oh, kulo radike.
Odogun wandem.
Baba anu me kele ni na mo.
Anu me kele godogun.
Baba ina mo of my.
Thank you.
Ihe dị ka gederekwa.
Thank you.
Onye asị jide nke oji ma na nke oji. Ka oji wodache.
Thank you, brother.
Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you very much. I appreciate.
All right. Nwanne dị ka a na-ekwu okwu anụ a na-ekwu ugbu a ghọtago mụ a amara m ihe the girl na the guy je ga-eghọtago. But ebe mụnwa na-epik interest bụ na onye ga-gaghị ego o jide ego ya ghọtago chọọ ka ọ gaghị ahịa. Nwanne ihe a na-eme na highway adịrị isi.
Atọ.
Ihe a na-eme adịrị isi. Nwanne abatara m China ewere nga mee welcome ghọtago mmecha pụta. Eta nna agwa gị. So anya maka o si adị living guy nọ na highway maka o si adị. I want this guy truly na ọ chọrọ ịga this lady maka na ofi na ọ ga-emenwu ya. Ọ na-enwe n'ebe o mechatara ife agwa ya na enwere ife na-eme n'udoji. Nwanne ife ndị a na-asị gaba lawyer kọba EFCC ya rubbish. Yeah, fuck face of Shakespeare.
Brother, open enwe proof.
I swear.
Open enwe proof of transaction. We can do that.
One happy proof of transaction. Most of these things sometimes on a like verbal one if you go now when the highway can on now highway can
I know.
Highway can see a different on highway go na buy or what try here. You with somebody sincere on America, you got to go. One day, I'm gonna talk about here proof and abanye. So him one equal on my own book. Him one equal on my own book. I want that this guy or guy this girl. One day I didn't support you for you. I'm gonna be finding me and this. You got to go
At all.
And for this guy now, even that girl, the money only that girl. Man, that girl, I can't with that guy. I swear.
I'm Buya, brother. You just Ogoji. I'm Buya. Apiaboy, what do you do?
After they verify it, just evidence surely that this guy, this girl, not surely in here. I didn't make all because every relationship I get lead to marriage.
Yes.
You got to go. I'm only lead to marriage.
You are right.
One day, if for in case you go to I'm going to do a bit more. I'm remembering the money fell. You got to go carbon back and see the yaka. I'm remembering the money fell. But surely you don't get on a chetena. I get maybe here. One day here, I got this guy, man, I don't know. This nigga, it's not even a so because I wouldn't kiss game with
I'll get the phone number tomorrow. I will speak to him. I'll speak to him tomorrow.
Yeah, Makadi Amoma on the chat got a bossy. You got that. I didn't want to chat got a bossy. On the hand, may have one on more about you. I might hear we can make you one. I didn't want to say, I'll find one in May.
I will get him tomorrow, and if I speak to him, I'm going to tell everybody so we know where we'll go from here. Thank you very much, caller from China. I appreciate. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Aware. I do not call direct. If you call me direct, you're not going to get me. You can only get me on WhatsApp. And for those who are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, the channel is pinned up at the comment section. There is a YouTube channel here. We need total of 1,000 subscribers before we can start going live on YouTube. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am making a passionate prayer, an appeal. I'm begging you, because, bitter, please, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's a 5-second thing. Just click on that link there. You're going to see my video, my channel. You click on subscribe. It's enough. It's the only thing I'm asking you to do for me. Please, thank you very much. There is a call from Germany. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Thank you very much. Go ahead.
Please allow me. I want to speak English because my voice is not that.
All right, go ahead.
When I saw this topic, I was very angry because I was once a victim. When I was working in Nigeria.
Your voice is not coming out very clear. Can you make it a little bit louder?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Clearly, now you are very clear. Go ahead.
Yeah. I said I was once a victim. When I saw this type of topic and all that, I was very angry. I was working, I'm a lab scientist in Nigeria. I was working, I was doing business from Aba to Benin. I gathered money, I give 1.5 million because I have opportunity to travel to Singapore for a working permit. After everything, drug the money, the guy refused to give me. He was my ex. We were dating then till I got opportunity to travel down to Germany. Immediately I left to Germany. He used the money, got married to another person.
Try.
Not only that, because why I'm saying this, at present, as I'm talking to you, he's now in Europe, in Germany, and I'm coming after him.
Wow.
I'm coming after him because I talked to him last 2 weeks. I gave him the deadline, December 30th. Without giving me the 1.5 million, I'm coming after him. I will make all possible best for them to jail him. I'm coming after him. He just came to Europe like 3 months now in Germany. So many people that were asking that the girl, what type of business is she doing and all those sorts of things. The type of business she's doing does not matter. The only thing that matters is that the guy has to pay her
the money.
You need to pay the money. Relationship is not a or die affair. So since he has the mind that he wants to marry another person, so be it. But they have to settle the money. That is just my contribution.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. He needs to return the money. That is what we need to hear from him. I money I see one neke ifere mezi odogu. Ke ifi di mekoni ifere otu a. Imeri ife akon imelia. Obo no nwere ife iji di ego jego maybe ni igoro ana. You ni adi ana mo onu iji adu. You ni adi ono. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Nwanyi ọma, good evening. Ebe ka isi akpọ na America ka Canada, nwanyi ọma. Nwanyi mara mma.
America cancer.
Ebe na America, nwanyi ọma.
Illinois,
the state of Illinois. Thank you very much. Go ahead.
Ihe nwere ikwu n'okwu a bụ anụtala m ihe ndị mmadụ kwuru. Onye ọbụla kwuru ọfụma. Ịmara na sometimes ndị nọ Nigeria na-efeli na ego obodo oyibo adaghara ya afụfụ. And ịmara na ego obodo oyibo some people na-akụ 2 shifts every day. They were kpata this money. It's not easy over here. But in Nigeria, anyị na-anụ na mmadụ n'obodo oyibo, anyị na-eche na onwe n'osisi a na-esi akọta the money. mana ijiri ụkwụ gị bịa iwere anya gị fọrọ ịghọtago
You're
na
right.
o nwere ndị na-ada arahụ ụra 6 hours na-ede
Yes.
ebe a na-achụ the money
Yes.
ka e wee meet up ịghọtana na for somebody ịkpata ụdị ego ahụ nye ya mmadụ na Nigeria onye ahụ eyuzuo ya even though that there was another agreement of marriage more in terms of boyfriend or girlfriend or maybe leading to marriage is very very bad. Even the lady ọ bụgodu na ọ gara the man ije enwere ihe a na-akpọ kama we meet up with him.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Then a na-ekwukwa ka ọzọ ghara ime ịghọtana na everybody should be careful inye mmadụ ego even ọsọgodi ya bụrụ na nwanne gị ka ị nyere ego o nwere onye ị ga-enye ego the person will not be accountable for it. The person will use it for something else apart from what you've discussed. Otu anyị nwa n'obodo oyibo sometimes o nwere ihe ị ga-achọ ime ị na-achọ onye ga-emere gị ya onye ga-adị sure inye the money all that thing ọfịa ahụ. Sometimes ọ na-emezi some people ada invest in Nigeria because of nwere onye chọrọ akụkọ kama akụkọ ego gị dịrị gị na akaụntụ gị ịghọtana na so the man ihe o mere o meteghe ya at all ya return ọrụ the lady ego
we will make sure
even though ọ bụgo na ọ chọrọ ịnụ ya is not all relationship that will lead to marriage because even ọsọgodi ya bụ na ha na-abụ na Nigeria nwoke nwere ike na-ayị nwaanyị mgbe a na-ayị ị na-afụ character some characters you might not be able to stand in marriage then you can decide you are not gonna further the relationship you got to so but the money they should return it and then it should still be an avenue to other ladies out there. Nobody should give a man money because you are planning to get married to him. Keep the money when you get married with him, then you can invest if you feel you have more than him. Because I advise out like people should be careful.
Very careful.
Things are hard in Nigeria. Everybody wants to step on other people. Because all scamming scamming.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Wanyoma from Illinois, the state of Illinois, United States of America. Please, we are not sharing the video, and it's a concern. I don't know. I've been appealing to all of us. Please, when you join the broadcast, just click on share. If you are in any group, you can share it in the group. Host a watch party. Tag your friends. Copy the link to those on WhatsApp, on Messenger, on Instagram, on Twitter. I know it's too much to ask. That is why I'm begging. I'm appealing because it's a big thing to do. You know, it takes love to support. If you don't love, there is no way you support. I know a lot of you love me. That is why I'm appealing to you to share my video. Host a watch party. Your village group, any group you are, you share. Akụkọ na-esi na relationship na marriage apụta na agụzikwa ike onye ọbụla na nwunye ya na-akọ ọnụ but anything no relationship na marriage kịta I wash my hand comot aka ka nna akwọrọ ife a maka ndị na anything relationship mmadụ akwụtekwana ebe nnọ biko ka m na manage ndụ m onye nshi manage ya biko it's very very important akwụgo m aka biko ụmụnne dalụ let's go to England and say who is there please. Thank you very much. Thank you for sharing my video. I am thankful. Caller from UK. Good evening. Good evening, one. Good evening. Thank you, one. Thank you.
If I know can leave where the man na eziokwu ka kpọchiatakwa aka ọchọ nwanne na nwanne ya na-eme iyi eziokwu adị na ya nwanne anyị nwaanyị nyere ego onye ọbụla na-atụ ya ụta na mana onye aka ya dịrị ọcha na Okwuluọra nwere ego onye ga-echi mpụtara nataba na Nigeria na-atụkwazị ụzọ Okwuluọra nke mụ na ya tụkwa eme demonstration na Independence Layout mfụkwazịrị mgbe a na-eme ka ọ dịla ndị Igbo niile mma mụ na ya maọbụ anyị chagbuo Enugu 042 ntụba ọjọọ Okwuluọra biko ihe a na-ekwu ebe a na fairness truth
Yes.
onye ọ bụ na nwatakịrị nwaanyị a nyere oke ego a ịmara ihe anyị emesịrị etinye 12 grupu 12 members committee ka anyị chọọ dị ezigbo anyị natakwa ego
A ga-anata ya.
wenetara nwanne
Anọ m ebe a
anyị
nwanne, a ga-anata ya.
dị mma
A ga-anata ya.
otu
Ọkwa
ọbụla
mụnwa bụ
nwaanyị
Okwuluọra.
ego
A ga-anata ya. A ga-anata ya.
anyị achọghịzi aghụghọ because eziokwu bụ Chineke, eziokwu bụ ụka a na-eje and eziokwu bụ ndụ. Anyị kwụrụ unu n'eziokwu ka anyị Igbo wee dịrị anyị mma. So bikonu ọ nwanne mmadụ dị ihe a ọ bụrụ nwanne mmụọ ana onye azụkwara oyi a bụ nwanne anyị chọba na onye ajụzụ n'ebe ebe ego a si bịa na ndị a na-ego mmadụ ego edịrị esi n'elu ada
nwanne ebe o si weta ya bụrụ my problem. All work for the money, I don't care. Onye enyere ya weta ya.
Yes. Biko so ọ ya ya ekwucha m onye m na-ekwu ya ka anyị chọba nwa ka ajụ ewechukwu nwanne anyị
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, nwanne m.
Eziokwu na Igbo ka eziokwu dịrị anyị daalụ.
Thank you. You know, we'll talk about trust and honesty, sincerity. A lot of people do not understand. Around 6 in the morning, while I was getting set to go to school, somebody called me from Malaysia. Osimo Okwuluọra mbiko ke investment onwe ike ime ke business ọ ga-esi mu through me tinye ego. You know, not chọrọ ime invest through me. Si ya nwanne na adị m emekwa business okay. Cheta na m my friends into stage and sound truck. People na-ebute truck tinye n'akafa. Itinye truck n'akafa enwe ka ọ bụrụ every week 100,000, every week 60,000. Ụdị fa na-akacha ebu bụ ndị a na-adị ka tipa aja, onwe nke na-ebu ibu n'aka tipa aja. Enwe ndị nke a na-emecha akaụntụ every 2 weeks 200,000. Because fa na-enwe ọlụ with ndị a na-akụ okwute. And all this, ndị kwari, enwe ndị a na-akpọ ndị kwari, ndị a na-akụ okwute. And all that. So ha na-enwe deal with them. Ibuje moto gị dị ewere ya na-ebu okwute every week or so 200, 150. So nchete na my friends na-eme ife a. Nsi brother nwanne adị m emekwa business adị m eme ya. But mma connect my friends. Ọ bụ na iche ime invest ime what I can assure is supervision. Ọ bụ na asị na 200,000 every week akwụnye gị that 200,000. And onwe ife mee your moto ha si na their own girl lụọ ya maka ịnọrọ ya ngwa ya prompt and plain. Ọ bụrụ m na-emerekwa ndị na-eme osi m oke na ọ chọrọ ige ịbụọ that he wants to buy too. Akpọgo my friends today sifa na anyị ga-afụ nekwa ife nwanne m achọ ime. And nke nji bụrụ mmadụ nwee integrity, nwee conscience, nwee fear of God and fear of man and fear of life, fear of death and fear of nature. Mma dị very honest and the mmadụ dị ndụ ama mme ife ọjọọ. You know, when you talk about trust, people do not understand. And we got people of the family for job, both stranger. Feature Fanya Millie. I don't know where we'll go from here. But let's go to Germany. We'll go to Germany from here. Good evening, brother. Good evening, one day. Please move away from your listening device, please. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Odogwu ndị Germany ọkwa unu nwa ka m ji aba mba na nwekwe ndị ọzọ nwe ọkwa ndị Germany.
Okwuluọra ezigbo mmadụ.
I greet you.
Topic ị na-ewepụta kwa ụbọchị ọ na-awụ iwepụta iji apịawa ndị n'obodo iwu asị akwụta na o nwere nke ọ ya awụ iwepụta etu onye n'obodo iwu onye kata iwu a na-ewe maka ọnyanwa ugodu victim of the topic.
Yes.
So ọgụgodie ịkpọgodiwu ya ada atụ ya egwu maka ọ na-akpọ ọ na-enene comment section a na-abụgodi ya egwu a na-atụ na-agwa Okwuluọra na-aga nke na-eme
udo dị nwanne tinye ọnụ n'okwu a Odogwu.
Okay, ife mụnwa nwere ike ikwu n'okwu ahụ na ịma na nwaanyị weje ego na-sponsor ebe nwoke nọ then at last nke nwoke hapịa you know nke nwoke jee nụrụ nwaanyị ọzọ be decide ịnụ nwaanyị ọzọ be ịma na ndụ anyị bikwo n'ọkwụnụ akwụkwọ nọ na-awapụta social media ma ọ apart from social media generally natural ndụ anyị bi wuris.
Yes.
Mmadụ nwere ike ịga ije na-ata ọwụrụ ọnwụ amaghị ife gbulie ọkụ ya ọta.
Yes.
we are just living by the grace of God. Or how you went to a yoshnik.
Yes,
So if in that time you may go to okay, malo nwaanyị weje ego na-eti akaụntụ nwoke na-eti na akaụntụ nwoke ọkwa etu a ka ọ dịkwa nwoke n'obodo oyibo na-akpa ego na-eti na akaụntụ nwaanyị nọba anyị tigide dị ego na akaụntụ nwaanyị nọba anyị ndị mmadụ mekwa ka ọ mara na kele ife nwoke a n'obodo oyibo eme melu na ọ ya abịa n'ụwa nwaanyị ego ka anyị were eme marriage live our life.
It happened.
Ọ dịkwala onye ahụ izi ịfọlụkwa victim i decide ịhapụ that man because o feel na the ego ezugolie if you build life. I don't know if you understand.
Yes, I do.
O nwere onye melu call ga-asị na nwoke ili ego nwaanyị nke a mekwa nke a mee nke na ụlọ nyanwa ka nwaanyị ilile ego na oye egbu the woman nka na na-akọ dị akọ ibulu that matter je na nwa dibịa chọrọ ịgwa ya eziokwu ya gwagodo na ụka na aha akị akọ mana nke a chọrọ ịgwa eziokwu ya digo on what ground ife nji ekwu ife awụna nwaanyị ahụ lile ego unless ni n'obodo oyibo na-ese ndị ego na ọba anyị nna imegide ifela nwaanyị ahụ ọtụ ọkwụ vice versa ofu ọnụ ọtọ ị gara nna ya ọgenya wụlụ na 10 million kitiri na akaụntụ your money is going gone fe na gwa ahụ pure maka ịlaga ọtụ nna ahụ fe na gwa ahụ 100% pure so ịpụtazi na-asị ya n'ihe je na nke nwa dibịa n'ihe egbu ma ọwa ntị na ọdị ọda nna ijego na nke nwa dibịa ma wee kpọlie ya ike ọsọ ogo kwụọ ya ọgwụ ọtọ ịlarụ ijụọ ya ego na ọsọ na ife ya kwụọ 100 million why na ife o ji ego ụwụ 30 million ọkwụkwụ nwa ya balance ife na-agwa ọgwụ pure ọzụkọ ngụ nwa ya balance ya olesi ma ọ na-imetụbụ ya aka fe na-agwa ọgwụ pure my brother. So onye na-ekwunye n'oye egbukwa oye jime nke anyị apụtawa n'ụzọ adịghị ebe ahụ ọkwa ya ọta.
Yes, brother.
This life is all about game. Onye gbaa game ya ọ baala ya ọfụma onwe aṅụrị mana ịgba ya game ọnwụ na ọ baghọrọ nna ijedibe na onye omele amalụgo ọkwa ya ọta.
You're right.
So mụ enweghị ikwu much n'okwu a mana ihe ofufe m chọrọ ime oke mara biko onwe ka ihe esi na-enyopụte ụmụ obele investment ibupụtakwa na social media gwakwa ndị be anyị na with 1 million 2 million even 500,000 ihe no with this investment at a time you can grow with it. You know, itebulu kwe because many of them n'obodo Igbo mana he nwo common sense of investment, you know.
You're right.
And adowe ego mana ama ife eji eme. Okay,
I will do that. I will look into that. Thank you very much.
People put that topic. If women are power na phone.
Yes.
Say one need.
No problem.
Brother.
No problem. Thank you very much. He's talking about investment. Enugu is about the best place in Southeast, even the whole Old Eastern region, and buying property in Enugu is the best thing you can do for yourself now. Even if you want to use it in 5 years, there are some parts of Enugu you can buy a land for 500,000, 700,000. You can fence it and then leave it for 5 years and see what will happen. But it's an issue for another day. A lot of people are telling me to go over that. I'm going to do that very soon. Let's go to USA. When we come from USA, we'll go to Canada. From Canada, we'll go to Denmark. And from Denmark, we'll go to South of Africa. Let's see if the caller from Canada is there. Caller from USA, if you're there. Anybody who is there, we'll talk to them. If they are not responding, we'll go to USA. We'll go to Germany. We'll go to Denmark. We'll go to South Africa. Calls are too many. There are too many calls. Let's go to Republic of Ireland and say, the caller from Republic of Ireland, if you are there, good evening. If you are there, if you are hearing, caller from Republic of Ireland, welcome.
Biko, ka I help you quote to one out of context.
onwe ha na-ekwu dị very important.
Yes.
You know, people are what if you can EBA. Imana mmadụ butele a case. I got know from both sides.
Yes.
All the very, very important. We are concluding by emotion now. We should not let a good judge now judge out of reality, not out of pity. Anyamabe, if I repeat, more go the girl in this young man. And this young man until I know from the young man.
Brother, we are just saying what we had. And what are you not condemn? Yeah, nobody is doing that.
The young man.
Harmonio. Only family in my mother. Only family in Monia to Rafa. A sheer picture and a boy Alpha and a boy. Nobody knows.
Exactly. This is the problem I know. I know problem. Even before about 5 hours ago, I saw the guy was for this no wake up no see Libya about Italy. Now forget that the young man in Nigeria. So I got confirm that the young man received such money from the girl. And nobody no receive the money from the girl. Okay, we protect the money. It's a very simple matter. Okay, well, Omari go one mother was other possible. Okay, well, money I got confirm first. More receive the money.
Yes,
that is the only truth.
And
thank you very much.
The brother said I forgot one of this program by tomorrow or less because I will talk to him tomorrow. Oga Bokokowala.
Okulora, I want him to work. I want him to work. Oboni weke ebe ga enweta m. Inweta number the guy. Send them number the guy.
I have you on my WhatsApp. I can always get to you.
Send them kamu abo ya direct. Mama abo ya ato. One oboro ihe aboro ihe social sometimes on abo. I inukodu from the said man.
Yes.
Or because understand me can never happy equal to wrong.
Yes.
O nwere ike obona enweghị ego enyel no because ọ chi no nwaanyị ọzọ. O nwere ike you got to go. Can you go from the young man collect the money from the girl? Exactly.
We will.
Not collect the money. The money. It's a very simple thing.
We will. Thank you very much. Okay, let me tell you what happened. Why I went to Port Harcourt for the very first time. Well, let me go to USA first before I tell you a little story. Hello, good evening, brother. It's one mother. Brother, good evening. Are you there?
Yeah, Okurora.
Onyisi, ezigbo mmadụ, I greet you. Udo the one name oh.
Yeah, in a of man.
Yes, you are clear. Go ahead. Talk to our people.
Yeah. I want to come your message. I got.
All right, no shaking, brother.
Yeah, I think I'm on here.
Go ahead.
Yeah, ndị be anyị ga-ejiwa ya nọ ihe anyị na-eme, you know? So, yeah, anyị ga-ejiwa ya, you know, kwụsị iri ego ma nwoke ma nwaanyị, ịghọtago? Anyị ga-agbakọta aka ọnụ wee fight ihe anyị na-ekwu ka anyị laa Biafra ka anyị nwere onwe anyị, ịghọtago? Ka anyị ghara ime anyị laa anyị na-egbusisi onwe anyị, na-ezu onwe anyị ori.
It's important, very important.
So I like the program, you know, on our I went outside the boat, I had watch, and I'm online.
Yes,
thank
you.
It's a good thing.
Thank you.
So you see,
thank you, brother. God bless.
Yeah, no, anybody advice?
We will. Thank you very much. So what happened is that a brother who is in Indonesia, he went to Indonesia, I can't buy on Haziri of my so this brother now showing you save ego. You know in Indonesia now, you don't keep money there. You need to send it back. So Ogwaya onyoju emere organ Indonesia. See oga biko ejide tunu ya ego. Oga si na ọ na-ejide mmadụ ite ego. No mam jide onye nke no. So ogwazie nwunye oga ya. So nwunye oga ya na-ejidere ya ego. So na UBA bank kafa na-eji eme the transaction. Onwe ike onye nwunye oga ya 10 million. Ochi use 2 million. Nwunye oga ya send ya ya. Ndị mmadụ oga na-enyekwa nwunye oga ya ego mgbaghari and all that, bank charges and all that. So up to 6 months, the guy were ego. According to story, the guy another nwunye ogi ego. So when you get that 2 million plus transfer on account to me POS. I'm not me 4G because you use the money. So the boy need is here 2,024,000 naira. And one day the boy will come to Indonesia. And one day the boy also the critically ill. Obune raise the regi immediately. The boy down. And the Igbo go for this boy. Naka 2,024,000. Obon munyogi see madam yenye tunu yega. 1 year now, 1 year since lockdown. When they made the boy like this. The boy amari before game. Ogi anwere ego. Onwere onye that boy nwe. He has nobody. You know, as no onye nwere ego ka onye nwe mmadụ ka onye nwere ego. Onye nwere ego dịkwa important. Onye nwe mmadụ dịkwa important. So you need inwe ego nwekwe mmadụ. You need inwe ego need inwe mmadụ. So ka complement each other. So brother amari for game. Munye oge si na o me fixed deposit. He said you can still terminate fixed deposit in urgent need for money. And I post to this guy, encouragement. This guy waited me for one day na WhatsApp. Si mo kwulu ọrụ ndị Igbo na nsogbu dịkwa. Nekwe nsogbu ọnọ na ndị aji egwu na onwere onye onwe ọ ga-akpọ, onwere onye ọma ọ ga-akpọ. He has nobody. And I treat ya ke nobody. The way they talk to him, the way they harass him and all that. They treat him as somebody, not like as somebody. He can't do anything. I told him I'm going to do something. As soon as GTBank ji wee jide ego nka. Okosiali me for now call around 5 p.m. 5 p.m. I can't do jebe motor park because I can't drive myself to Port Harcourt. I've never been there before and the road is terrible. Experience go to Enugu to where go sim close Port Harcourt to Gadi. So I got to Port Harcourt around 10 p.m. I got there around 10 p.m. And by 7 in the morning, GTBank. It's going to be issue for another day. But the bottom line is that I could go the Ugo. I could go 500,000. So the boy can achieve 1.5 million, 24,000 naira. I could that Ugo because I came. And I see no one of mother because I'm there. It's chief bank manager GTB. It's a bank manager and choke Igwa me female. I want Munkebeze Kwabona Akoko can I call this boy Kembe. When I told them I was going to come, nobody believed I would come. Okay, Jimano go change go Gambia. I was there at GTBank in Port Harcourt. And I'm checking every month in January. Even 1st of January now, I'm going to call them and ask them balance of 1.5 million, 24,000 naira. The trip cost him 64,000. The boy in with the 2 million something in 50,000. So Mwa lose 14,000, but I don't care. I change we got them say that yeah, I'm going on Amsobu and all that. No, this guy be nobody knows. So onye free ebe nwanne ya nọ na-eti mkpo na-asụ ude, you know, ịgbalụ jesi ya nwanne ka ife na-eme. Onwe ike ebe gị nwa bụ Mezaya, bụrụ ihe niile achịnye aka enu na-akpọ Chukwu. Oge Jizọs nọ n'Enugu, ọ sị na onye ga-anyị ikikere imeme karịa ya. Onye bụ problem ya bụ iwepụ kọp a dobe ebe ni ọ nọ na-eme fasting, jee shilo, jee experience, na-agbagharị. But all you need to do is just little thing, effort, and it's settled. So let's go and see who is there. Hello, good evening, caller. Good evening to you. This particular caller, I've taken his call more than 10 times. He doesn't know how it works. You will call, you take the call, you won't talk, you won't say anything. So taking the call is not very important to me now because no matter the much you try, he's not going to talk. He'll be watching the video and he's not talking to the phone. And it's a concern. Call me on 0901-734-2796. Let's know where we go from here. Tomorrow we are going to try to bring the lady to talk to us. And then I'm going to get phone number of the accused. The guy on a point. And then we'll see. What I can assure you is, that boy is going to pay the money. There is no way. It's not possible. It's not possible that he don't pay the money. He must. Unless in Ifan or that 8 weeks or something like that. Let's go to the UK. Good evening.
Good evening from London.
Only seen a London. Okunu one with London. Dalu O Chief. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. I apologize about yesterday because my voice was not coming out clear.
Yes.
I was on motorway driving then, but I thought it's necessary for me to make that call that time.
It's okay.
Okay, moving on because I am, I'm they may not try so much, my brother.
Thank you.
You know, or the reason.
Thank you.
But also, without trying to be negative. Actually, okay, I know I can discuss this with you privately, but I want to say this publicly right now.
Yes.
You're not trying so much. You are doing more than enough in spreading this message and, waiting for all our opinions and taking them on and spreading the news. So it's a big job alone.
Thank you.
You see, sometimes when you talk about how you go there and here, trying to sort this and that out, I become worried a little bit. And so what I mean is, please, because don't take too much on. You want to go because you are just a human being as well. All right. On the issue at hand today, opinion on like I always say, is good. But even the time halfway line, stop the broadcast at 5, and they said that now you will come back by 9 or something like that.
Yes.
I was listening. But also some people, just like our brother who spoke last said, going things by emotion and being judgmental, one-sided is very, very risky. It's highly unprofessional.
Yes.
And the brother mentioned that even a judge cannot decide a case without hearing the both sides, their witnesses and the evidences. Now, of course, we don't always sense, a sympathy, empathy with our sister in Libya, and there is no doubt about it. Now, the question today is not about Magabwele Madu TV, Magabwele Madu cassette, Mobo, Joya, that is not the issue. The fact of the situation is, from that guy.
Yes.
Yes. No, we go the guy go for Italy. No, we go go serve in Atlantic Ocean. No, we go the desert. In the end, you even confirm that the guy no gonna 042. All right? And nobody has heard from the guy. And then the sister say from Chicago, one kind of advice that does not actually go well with somebody like me, because I try to think on both sides to balance issues. The sister said, "Na advice I'm not antagonizing her, but I'm just quoting her. Na advice why woke up on the ego just because of promise nagano. That is wrong. Then I will have to send a message to her. Guys, in Europe, put a link when I and I send the Lego, maybe my business and everything.
Yes.
And when they go chama moto doba chalo haya alo ha flat just because waga ye were akwụ na tụnọ ọ na-eche ka amalụ mgbe ife ga-adị ka ọ ya adị enu wa bebi ewele ego na-agba bebi na tude na-ebuziga ahịa ọzọ onye ọzọ anaghị moto ya. So how market?
You're right.
That is number one. Number two is like the last brother correctly said, from this guy right now. Oh, we can covenant this guy and this girl way. Obun maybe no ego the boy could sponsor movement of the girl in the first place. Oh, we can the girl. Obu just because of you now the guy actually know why also. Not naturally. May you one night why. You never know. I am not accusing the girl. But let's calm down. Mobu what actually Lagos to say mammy be coming down. Our people are the too judgmental, very quick and very emotional and too fast to prejudge people.
You're right.
That is wrong.
You're right, sir. I can agree with you.
Thank you very much. I don't want to waste your time anymore.
Ikengawa Watna, London, United Kingdom. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. I can agree. I can agree with almost all the points he made. Thank you very, very much. There is a call from Indonesia. And from Indonesia, we'll go back to the USA. People at the comment section, they will say, you're not picking their call, but they are not calling. Do not call me direct. Call me on WhatsApp. Call me only on WhatsApp. And we must understand, nobody's judging the brother. I'm not judging the brother. I'm only saying if the information is true. The brother might come tomorrow and mesmerize us. He might say something that is going to wow all of us. You know, I'm a mass comm student. I know the effect of one-sided story. One-sided story can kill. It can cause World War III. listening from one party. Man, he gets here the other party into up. That is the point I'm trying to make. We need to understand. Nobody's judging the brother. We don't even know him. You can say we are judging the brother if we know the brother. We are sharing the picture. No, we're going to no boy Emeka Okonkwo from Nnewi. No G 20 million wafu. And they share phone number and a picture on social media without hearing from him. That is where you say we are judging the brother. No, but we don't even know him. We are saying no buru. The ifes is star kurube ezioku. We are just insinuating, trying to go to future while in present. We are trying to say what we are going to do if the information sent across are truth. That is the point. We don't know the brother, so we are not pointing at him at this moment. Caller from Turkey. Good evening. Oh, it's reconnecting. I don't know if it's my network or his network or mine. I don't know. I don't know if I'm coming out clear or if I'm having any issue with connection. Let's go to Italy. Good evening, brother. Brother, good evening. If you are there, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
One name, good evening. Keko Siado Dogu. Thank you very much.
One nothing can my brother.
Thank you very much, brother.
Topic in Cambodia make sense.
Thank you.
Only someone with some young man Kugasi. Imana Namsnas and Asna days no on phone a baby. Yes. What I got no guru from the guy no. We are you what I go malo.
Yes.
So to again the Puno na Libion week obona the boy is gonna cut the boy where make your money movement on week obona the guy batagi talo. To again the Puno Libya corner. I want to go one Libya. You what I go? Talo can say up Milan. You what I go? The boy don't we are Omagomeli, but Europe. Amanke water.
Yes.
So you're from the guy.
Yes. We'll wait tomorrow.
You should know.
I can assure you tomorrow I will talk to the guy.
I can I see a kind of way because that kind of way. I ain't chabo. I ain't chabo money. What I go?
Yes. Yes.
You know, not as always. Na malukusi.
Yeah. What enable one nearby in Azazo.
Yes. Amaki whatever naga my brother. But that's why on your mala you are abo emegi awegi we get many on yours. Amaki water.
Yes.
So you do madram bossy thing go from the guy.
Thank you very much. Thank you, one tomorrow. Thank you very much. I am running up. Please, if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please. The YouTube channel is pinned up at the comment section there. There is a link there, YouTube link. Just click on the link. My YouTube channel is going to pop up. You subscribe. We need to be up to 1,000 so we can be broadcasting live on YouTube. All these programs, I'm uploading them on YouTube. And if you want to watch again, so some of us who are calling on phone, you might well like to listen to my program and see me and you have conversation. Because when you are calling me on phone and you are looking at the device you are watching with, it's not going to augur. Because the phone conversation is faster than the video you are watching. So the only way you watch my conversation with you is if you go back and watch the video when it had ended. And it's better you do that on YouTube because it's clear. It's not blurring. YouTube is very, very clear. It is clear. So if you've not subscribed to our channel, please, I appeal to you. I appeal. I beg. Bikono. In German, they will say bitter. Please. Please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Let's go to the UK and then we'll take one more call before I will allow all of us to sleep. Caller from UK. Good evening, brother.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you for having me.
Thank
My
you,
name
brother.
is Victor.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What you are doing is the right thing.
Thank you.
To educate our people on what to do. Okay.
Thank you.
My suggestion is let's hear from the guy. After hearing from the guy, let's also get an evidence from the lady
Yes.
that sent money to the guy. So once the guy, after getting an evidence and the guy is saying something else, then we'll know what to do.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
So the evidence and hearing from the guy, those are the two things you need to work with.
I will.
Okay?
I will do that tomorrow. It's not too big. I'll do that.
All right.
Thank you very much. Caller from UK. Very, very short and precise. Very short. Brilliant. Precise. Wherever you're watching from, thank you very much. I need to rest. There are too many things I need to do tomorrow. Plus the fact that I'm going to school. Vita. Our people in Germany are responding. Okulora is not Peter. It's called Vita. I said Vita, not Peter. Is it Vita or Vita? I don't know. You should teach me. I love to learn German. I love German people. I love Germany. Germany is a place I love. I said I'm going to visit this Christmas, but due to coronavirus, it's no longer realistic. Until next year, let's see. Thank you for being here today. Thank you immensely. I appreciate you. You know, God bless you. Chukwumelu na amara ebe ọbụla unu se nene. Ebe ọbụla unu se afọ m na-akwado m na-asị m na nne m ọfụma na-motivate m. Chukwu gọzie unu. Ife ọbụla bụ mkpa ọchịchọ obi gị. Do you come out live on YouTube? Not yet. I'm not there. I need 1,000 subscribers or so to be able to come live on YouTube. And I was also told that my account needs to be up to a week old. I opened my YouTube yesterday. So all you need to do is to subscribe. You know, subscribe, please. The link is there at the comment section. Just click on it. You tap on subscribe. I need as much number as possible. Facebook is becoming frustrating, you know. We need to go to YouTube, and there are benefits on YouTube as well. At least, if I balance on YouTube, I will be getting money to buy fuel, data, and I'm finish up the studio, and all that. Charity again, I can be able to gather money, put with the little I have. Go YouTube, and all that. These are some of the things I want to do, and I'm sure, I'm hopeful, I'm optimistic that we are going to do them. Chukwumon Sonye Kerowa. Onye okwu ya bụ A na Amen. Ọmama amasị amasị chi na-asa anyị ndụ, onye dobere m ndụ n'agbanyeghị atụmatụ ndị iro niile. Chi na-agwọ ọya, onye ndu, onye kere ụwa, onye na-ebibi mba, onye na-agọzi mmadụ, onye ike niile dị n'ọba aka ya. Ọmama mma zụrụ ahụ, Jehova Shama, Jehova Elohim, Jehova Sikeno, Jehova ụmụ Israel, onye na-agọzi mmadụ. Nekwa ụmụ gị ka fa nọ na-enene, na-ayị amara, na-eti mkpu, na-asụ ude. Ọ gị ma ebe ọ na-akpafa ndị na-achọ nwa, ndị na-achọ akwụkwọ, ndị nwunye fa kụgo duka you know, ndị nwunye fa chụpụgo n'iro na Germany na ife, ndị kpọta nwaanyị obodo oyibo, nwaanyị tọọ ọta anyị ga-apịaka dịfa kpọọ polisi narụcha sọpọtụ tii na akpa. Chukwu ọgụ maka ị ga-esi setụlụ ndị a arịrị karị ka anyị ha iru anyị dị n'iche n'iche, mkpa anyị dịkwa n'iche n'iche. Onwe ndị na-ebe aba ego bụ ya problem. Onwe ndị bụ na fada alarụ ụra n'abalị, anyị nwabụ na arụ adịrị anyị. Onwe ndị nwere onye ga-ekwuru fa. Chukwu ife ọbụla na-akpa ụmụ gị, ife ọbụla na-akpa ha, ife ọbụla na-akpagbu fa ka ileta ha n'oge dịka oge a. Chukwu onye okike, onye na-eme ife siri ike ọ dị mfe. Unchangeable changer, unshakable God, unchangeable God, Jehovah Adonai, Jehovah Elohim, Jehovah Emmanuel, onye na-eme mma, onye kere m na 25 December, onye debe m ndụ, onye na-echebe m, na-edebe m, na-ekpuchite m. You know, my God, my shade, my provider, my father, my everything, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Biko, Chukwu gozie fa, melufa amara. Because I'm going to be very happy. They've been everything to me. They've done a lot. They've been by me. They've supported me. They've pushed me to stardom. They've done things I never ever imagined in this life. And there is no better way to pay back than to pray for them. Oge nwana agozi mmadụ ka ife m ga-emekwe ife mmetụ aka fa ndị na-acha akwụkwọ, ndị nọ na asylum facility. Chukwu biko ka the application pụta and ka ọ tọọ mụọ good. Ndị na-achọ ọlụ and all that. Ndị na-achọ promotion, ndị na-achọ mkpụrụ nke afọ. Ndị bigoro obodo oyibo na-achọ ka a ga-esi kpogote their family visa application na-ala ahụ. Onye kere obodo oyibo, kee embassy, kee consular general, kee ambassador. Ọkwa gị bụ onye anyị na-ekpesalụ, ọkwa gị bụ onye anyị na-akpọku, ọkwa gị bụ onye anyị na-ebesa akwa, ọkwa gị bụ onye anyị na-asụkwa ude Chineke. Chukwuma amara mere anyị ihe ịrịba ama. Thank you very much. Thank you immensely. Thank you very much for being here. Tomorrow I'm going to be here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. I want to be here 4 times if possible. But there are too many things I do, and most times I'm weak. But I'm around to today. I'm very weak. Umedim na the 10%. I have to sleep. And then I woke up. I came to the studio. I was here for about 1 hour plus. I have to run to take care of a few other things, and then I'm here again. So thank you very, very much. There is a call +241. My last call today before I go. Hello, good evening, brother. +241. Good evening. No, it's not ready. So I'm going to see you tomorrow. Somebody said, Kulora, pick my call. There is no time. I'll do that tomorrow, please. Calls are too many. Over 150 missed calls this night. It's impossible to take all of them. Tomorrow, I'm going to do that. Please. If I do not take your call, you must understand. You pardon. It's not easy. There is no way I will please everybody. But if you don't get it today, tomorrow, you can. There is a local call. Let me go to this local call and say, hello, good evening, brother. Nwanne m odogwu ọ dị mma ebe ka isi akpọ nwanne.
Abuchi na-akpọ gị from Transekulu.
Abuchi Transekulu, thank you very much. Go ahead.
My brother, ihe m wee gwa ụmụ nwanne anyị bụ na ụwa adịrị izi.
At all.
Ụwa adịrị izi. Ama m how so many of us she strive hard, work hard, gbago Europe, ego US, wherever you are, in our hustle, man didn't send the net ego, people are needy. Some people are da amakwu for the haneme. Now, some people na yekwere ndị ụfọdụ aka ogbugbu. Ewe ike inyere gị aka, brother, but in the future, that person will ike ime gị ọ ga-abịa ị ga-eji regret why iji mad the person.
You're right.
Topic now we bring it up this night about a lady here. Obusiri I ga conclude nke kita because I need it from the guy. Uru mo na at fault. Yet na relationship erika. Ofu pụtakọwa nke a na-atọ ka shuga. Onye nke ọzọ pụtakọ na ifu na everything ifu ka ihe niile si wee mee. Uru ya no blame, but eziokwu bụ ndụ.
You're right.
More times we should stick, especially Igbo by. What I am happy because Igbos have started to realize that I think we all have to come back, change the way we do things, and unite. One
yes.
Or they like that. And I strongly believe that one day, Eba no I will buy will be better than all those places.
Amen.
The kind of work we are putting in, people like you, Nnamdi Kanu, our great leader, that guy is too much.
It's too much.
Hear this guy in a face on daily basis. Yet, I wonder the kind of human being, bro.
He's a special breed. He's a special
I thank God.
Yes.
Onye were aji ihe ma ndị were ajọ spirit na confuse and etie ha ji dupu ndị mmadụ ha ji emegbu ndị mmadụ awa afọ m uru ị ga-erite na idupu nwanne gị.
No benefit.
Nsụka gwa bụ onye Nkanu anyị nchabu ofe n'Igbo onye Imo n'Igbo ya Anambra anyị nchabu ndị Igbo n'Igbo onye Calabar. Brother,
anyị ncha bụ mmadụ nwere onye dị mma ime ife ọjọọ ma ndị Awụsa nwere onye dị mma ime ife ọjọọ.
Ipụta iruo nwanne gị dagbo irie nwanne gị is not good. Is not good.
Thank you very much. Abuchi from Transekulu, Enugu here. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Have a very good night. Have a very good night. See you tomorrow. God bless. There is another local call. Let me go to him. It's a local call. Hello, good evening.
Hello, my brother.
Good evening.
Hello, my brother. Good evening.
Good evening. One day,
Good evening, my brother. Okay, it's Africa's Abo.
Africa's, go ahead.
Thank you very much. You didn't pick call.
Call the too much. I may pick every call. Calls the too much. Like 20 people calling at a time. I'm only going to take one. Oh, Bikobalo.
Oh, it's okay, my brother. Thank you for opportunity and
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You are doing a very nice job.
Thank you, brother.
Afamobo Ifechukwu Stanley. I'm on Imo State. Manano Africa Seba. My brother, I'm telling first of all, I question George from the woman. Why Diogo? Why from now? Why am I going several times?
If you have Meggy, call her if you have Meggy.
I want to what I can why. Ndia mba mana digele bi na Asaba because Asaba kam di esibu Indonesia bata. So but Indonesia bia no na ba because Asaba kam di there for black Africa. So mana what I we mata. So I na ba maka nkata marriage. Aso yeme na nkata marriage. So next spend 3 go understand also no school. No na nursing school. Next time, they are 50,000 or 100,000. Couple of them here.
Yes.
As never no be no in now. At the end of the day, the mom not just mom will travel for Turkey. I'm also no fake visa guy. I'm not talking. I'm saying anything to get. I'm not busy being bin asama. Obu get na consider na quiz mataria na hope no work.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? Also, na kwagwara me ogwara me nwere my work in ya nka so you must all those things man again about marriage na send ego na everything at the end of the money dey one issue adamogo I remember can take go spend this you want to spend almost 300,000 to 400,000
the girl balago go safe
abramogo I get me I said even she denied. Now when I come there here, oh deny himself. When you want to walk, deny him. Now when I come there, I wouldn't say okay. I didn't put this here. My you didn't just send Diego. Or would I put us here? Some more on camera on call. Some more go know why. So I'm not here in the middle of the day about this, but I'm not from Jawaya. I don't want from Jumu. Okay, you know why name okay? The car.
That's the reason.
Stanley
ọkụzikwa ego ụgwọ ga ụgwọ a 400,000 gị nwa ọkwụkwa dị ụgwọ ị na-akụkwa dị nwa ka ị weta 400,000 ịkụkwa dị nwa so stop complaining onwe gị. My brother, somebody is asking at the comment section, where are you from in Imo State? Isi Alambalo, thank you very much. Stanley, thank you very much. Stanley na-ebe akwa ọ si se blame kwara nwoke a na ụmụ nwaanyị emeghị ya alụ. Si Stanley ka ife na-eme ọ sị na onwe nwa na-agụ nursing school ọ chọrọ ịnụ na ọ na-ese ndị dị girl 100,000 50,000 so batazie ka o jee nụọ the girl si ya na ọkwa ọ gwara ya before ha ịba na o nwee boyfriend. So this girl nwee boyfriend wee kwete Stanley mana the girl si na ọ gwa Stanley agwa. So Stanley jezi isi the girl ngwe ebe ọ sị na ọmanụ ya nyekwu ya ego niile o nyere ya ego support niile o nyere ya nke a bụ na o bụ ego Stanley bụ ọsọ na Stanley ji aka ya enye ya ego. So nwa Stanley si na nwa abalị ọgụ na the girl buru ya tụọ n'ala a na-ekwu the girl si na nwere ego Stanley nye Stanley wee je wetezi evidence ego o nyere ya in the end as no ife metere nọ Stanley na-akụkwa dị nwa na ọ rụziri na ọnụnụ dị nwa si mba ọtọ nụọ tiger and all that. So thank you very, very much. I'm going to see you tomorrow. God bless you. Good night. Good night. The last caller today is very, very funny. Stanley, very, very funny. What a way to end a very difficult night. He ended in laughter. Other days, I call on Messi, but this Imba no man, Stanley. I love him. See you tomorrow. See you, everybody.